Granville Oil Chemicals, we want to keep our partners informed about the factors currently driving increases in oil and oil-related product costs. Ongoing conflict involving Iran has created instability around the Strait of Hormuz, a critical global oil transit route through which a significant portion of the world's supply passes. As tensions rise, shipping routes have become less secure. This has led to delays, reduced tanker movements, and increased caution across the industry. Transporting oil is also becoming more expensive, with higher insurance premiums and freight costs adding pressure throughout the supply chain. At the same time, global markets are responding to uncertainty. Even without direct disruption, the risk of supply shortages is pushing oil prices higher. Because oil is a core component in many of our products, from lubricants to chemicals and automotive solutions, these increases are impacting manufacturing, packaging, and distribution costs. At Granville Oil Chemicals, we are actively managing these challenges. We are working closely with our suppliers, optimizing our operations, and doing everything we can to minimize the impact on you. Our priority remains the same: maintaining reliable supply, consistent quality, and transparent communication with all of our partners. We will continue to monitor the situation closely and keep you updated as it evolves. Thank you for your continued trust in Granville Oil Chemicals.